Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I'm your host Ruchi Sharma. It's Monday, the day we bring you latest updates from the Mint Street. A bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space giving you the flavor of the latest market activity and the freshest deals struck during this week. We have deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest development. So let's get started. Popular cryptocurrency exchange Kraken closed a $500 million funding round, setting the stage for a long-awaited IPO now expected in 2026, Fortune reported. The round did not feature a lead investor and was closed on Kraken's terms, valuing the firm at $15 billion, Fortune said. Backers included investment managers, venture capitalists, and Kraken co-CEO Arjun Sethi, who also participated via his Tribe Capital investment firm. Founded in 2011, Kraken had reportedly raised only $27 million in venture capital funding until this year. It generated $411 million in revenue and nearly $18 million in post-EBITDA earnings in the second quarter, according to the report. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Cronje's new venture Flying Tulip has raised $200 million in a private funding round that values its token at $1 billion fully diluted. The raise, structured as a SAFT, included participation from Brevin Howard Digital, Coin Fund, DWF Labs, Falcon X, and Susquehanna Crypto, among others. The project now aims to raise an additional $800 million through a public token sale at the same valuation. The project aims to be a full-stack on-chain exchange with spot derivatives, lending, a stable coin, and insurance in a cross-margin system. The founder calls it a full financial rebuild, merging AMMs, order books, and money markets. It will launch on Sonic with zero fees, then expand to Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and BNB chain. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Nasdaq-listed Bit Digital has finalized terms for $135 million, offering in 4% convertible notes maturing in 2030, aiming to increase its Ethereum holdings as part of a broader digital asset strategy. The notes will be senior unsecured obligations maturing in October 2030, with interest payable semi-annually. As per the official announcement, investors will be able to convert their notes into cash, Bit Digital shares, or a combination of both. The conversion rate is set at 240.3 shares per $1,000 of principal, implying a premium of 30% above the company's last closing price of $3.2. Bit Digital estimates it will net around $128.9 million in proceeds, or $143.3 million if underwriters exercise their full option to purchase an additional $15 million. According to Bit Digital, the majority of funds will go toward acquiring Ethereum, with the remainder allocated to general corporate needs, including potential acquisitions or investments in digital assets. Moving on to the next deal of the week. MEXC Ventures has doubled down on its investment in the Ethena ecosystem, bringing its total exposure to $66 million. The latest move includes a $30 million investment in ENA, the governance token of the Ethena protocol, building on a $16 million ENA purchase and $20 million acquisition of USDE made earlier this year. MEXC Ventures, the press release says, has already invested over $100 million in 40 investment projects. It has provided enhanced empowerment support to 7 projects. Moving on to the next deal of the week. CoinShares, the European digital asset manager with roughly $10 billion under management, said Wednesday it will acquire Financial Conduct Authority-regulated Bastion Asset Management. The financial details of the deal, which is subject to UK regulatory approval, were not disclosed in press materials. The move is intended to deepen CoinShares' capability in actively managed crypto strategies and support its US expansion. London-based Bastion specializes in systematic investment strategies for digital assets. The firm has focused on market-neutral and quantitative approaches aimed at institutional clients. Under the agreement, Bastion's team, including CEO Philip Scott and CIO Fred DeSobriere, will join CoinShares. Well, that's all in this episode of The Deal Corner. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Keep watching 3.TV.